This is Amelia playing Dance Dance Revolution.
Stop.
She's on basic, so that's why it's going really slow. But also, the song is really slow anyway. That's how easy she's on. She's under stress. Give her time. Oh, she's frustrated.
Dang it!
She goes too fast. She gets
I do.
annoyed. I'll pick a better song for her. Maybe she'll do better. She doesn't understand the concept of beats, so I'll have to teach her that.
Yeah, I don't have very good.
I'm a band geek, so this comes naturally to me. Maybe she'll record me doing it if she feels like it. Bye.